Guys, welcome to Tian Data Cafe. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 10 trend line or otherwise known as a sparkline in Excel. So before getting into the process, if you don't know what a sparkline is nothing but a small graphical representation of our data inside a cell. For example, here we have Jimny, so who has been doing sales for the year. Okay, so we are gonna create a small line graph inside this cell. So to create that, just click on the cell where you want the sparkline has to be inserted, and then click on insert, then go click line. So here a dialog prompts us to select the range of the data. So click the range of the data from January to December and then click OK. Boom. So there you have a line graph represents the sales of Jimny for the year. So let's do another thing. Let's try creating a bar graph sparkline. For the same thing, just click on the cell where you want the data to be represented as a bar graph. Click insert, click on column. Okay, so again it asks us to click the range. So just click on the range of cells that represent the sales from January to December and click OK. Boom. So there you created a small bar chart, bar graph for sales of Sue. So to copy that, just click and drag till Gilbert. So there you have created one, and if you prefer line chart, just click on the trend line and drag and drop till the end. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Bye.